sure you and your brother clears that portion of land I showed you yesterday.
Papa, why are you not going with us?
Will you shut up? Don't ask me any question. Do what I told you.
Papa, that place is too big. Huh?
Mechiano, I have somewhere to go.
Papa, just 2 of us.
Clearing that
land. I don't know what. I don't. Where's your father?
Sorry, are you not going to the farm? Where's your
Mama, he just left. Eh? He said he won't go to the farm with us. Yes. He wants us to go and clear that big portion of land alone.
Only 2 of us.
It's okay now. Maybe he has something important to attend to.
Mama, this is not good though. Mama, if Papa comes back, please plead with him for us to fetch water for Ure. Please, it's important.
Ure? I heard that Tubin has been fetching water for her for some time now. That boy is really trying. May God bless him. Okay. Come and start going now.
Okay. But my problem is that big land.
Also, you should start from somewhere. Stop complaining, my friend.
Mama, don't say you people. I'm just the only one. Is this not a half human being?
Me? No.
I'm very, very angry. That land is too big.
Osugo! Osugo!
Don't worry. Thank God Papa is not going with you. I'll watch you play.
Go and only me. Clear the farm. Not complain.
Where is your mother?
She went to the farm.
How could you be at home while your mother went to the farm alone?
She asked me to stay and do domestic work.
Something is not right. If your mother comes back, tell her that I was here to see her. Okay?
Then I will go.
Okay.
How are you?
Obinna, you shouldn't have brought another pot of water. I told you to go home and rest.
I don't want you and your mother to lack water.
My uncle is not happy because he saw you giving us water.
He can't stop me from giving you water because he's unhappy. Let us take this water inside. Let's take it.
Well done. Well done, no.
My sister, you could finish telling from the farm today?
Yes, sir. Why are you clearing this big farmland alone?
What do you expect of a poor widow? Who does not have money to hire laborers?
My sister, to work hard, of course.
That's exactly what I'm doing.
Because are your strength.
My thank you.
I advise you close on time so that you go home to rest. You have labored enough.
Mure, put more effort, eh? work hard, Jisike. Me and my husband, we are going home. Bye.
Bye.
Why did you have to die and leave me to labor all alone?
I don't want you to fetch water for Ure and her daughter anymore.
Impossible. You have stopped many people. You cannot stop me. I will continue giving them water as long as I live. I am their last hope. Do you want them dead?
I do not wish them dead, but you must do what I say.
I will not. You succeeded killing Okike because of land. Now you are denying his family water.
You killed Okike. You shot him with a gun. I did not kill him.
You paid me to kill him for you.
Your father is a hunter. Our Igwe will believe you killed him without being paid. Yes.
Please, don't tell Igwe our secret.
I will tell Ure that you confess to this, and she and her daughter will believe me.
I will do as you said.
Kita ka ebia no. Anọrọ mmadụ na-esi mmụọ. Ana akpọgo obi nna. Ifugokwa n'ife.
Oh, these bees are expensive. Where did you get them from?
Someone gave them to me as gifts. My princess, I wanted to put them on because they're expensive to your class. Yeah. They are meant for princess like you.
Yeah, thank you. You're such a nice person.
My princess, stop thanking me. I'm supposed to thank you for making me your friend.
You're welcome.
Princess, my princess, I'll beg to take my leave now. My father will be looking out for me. Such a nice girl.
Somebody please help me!
Who did this to you?
I don't know, my friend. I don't know. I found myself here. Help me.
It's okay. Don't worry. You will be fine. Right? It's okay. You'll be fine.
You're not going anywhere. You must give me my beats.
I'm not with your beats, and you know I'm not with your beats.
Keep quiet. Give my beats.
What's your own now? I'm not with your beats, and you know.
I will slap you.
Slap me now.
Give me my beats.
I am not with your beats now. Leave my clothes.
Okay.
I'm not with your beats.
It's okay. Are you sure you gave him the beast to keep for?
Because I've searched everywhere inside, I couldn't see the beads.
I don't know. Yes, Papa, I'm sure. I gave it to Ike. And if this horse will not contain us, if Ike did not give my beads,
I'm not with your beads. Papa, tell them now. I'm not with their beads now.
Ike, tell me the truth. Did she give you the beads to keep for her?
She gave me the beads to keep for her. And I kept the beads inside. I was surprised to hear her saying that they are looking for the beads.
Story. Mechianugi. No. You're rapping. You better tell us who sold that beast to. Or you bring the money, let's share.
Which money? See, Ike, if you not bring that beast, or you tell me who you sold my beast to, Papa, I will kill him.
Yes. Nobody will kill each other here. Nobody will kill. Just take it easy. I will make sure he provides the beast.
Papa, what are you saying? Are you taking sides with them? I'm not with their beast now.
We don't keep quiet. Are you talking to me like that?
Are you?
All of you go inside. Go inside.
Bring my sister's beast.
Papa, what is the meaning? We don't keep quiet here.
I'm not with your beast now. That's everywhere.
What is the meaning of all this? Who could have taken these beads? This is surprising. Unbelievable.
I decided to be coming to our compound. We should give her 3 hours and not at home.
Why?
Just think what I said.
Ndidi, how are you? Fine. And how is your mother?
She's fine. Mama, please, you don't be not to.
No, they want to.
Okay. Please, when he comes back, tell him to bring us water.
Okay, no problem.
Thank you, Mama.
Greet your mother.
No problem.
Bye-bye.
She's gone.
She's gone. It's okay.
Uncle will not be denying us water simply because we refuse to commit abominable things with him. And he wants us to watch and die in silence.
Has it told the dinner to stop fetching water for us?
No, I did not need to do We have to let Igwe know about Uncle Wakwe's wickedness towards us.
No. Let us be patient, my daughter. He may soon change you and start being nice to us again.
Patience? Yes, patience, you say. For how long? We have been lacking water in this house for many days now.
I will go to his house and plead with him to allow his son to fetch water for us. If he has denied everybody else the opportunity for fetching for us, I will go and plead with him.
It's not about pleading with him to allow his son to fetch us water. No. But we have to take this matter to the people.
Eh? No, my daughter. He will deny us. But when we receive that opportunity to collect all the ones your late father left for us, just like tradition with us. Please. He's just looking for us to report him to the Igwe so that he can do this for us. So we are not going to report him to the Igwe. Yeah? Have you heard it?
Nayobaka.
Ure.
Uwakwe has been adding sorrows to my life since the death of my husband. I will not go into details now, but I came to ask you, as one of the elders in council, if I report Uwakwe to the Igwe, will I still be able to retain my husband's lands?
Ure,
if Uwakwe decides to collect all the land, tradition supports him as a man. Except, of course, if he decides to give a little part of it.
Nine. You mean there's nothing I can do to retain my late husband's land?
I'm afraid there's nothing you can do. But let me ask you, which of the land is Uwakwe preventing you from cultivating?
Nine. None yet, too. But he is making his intentions quite clear to me.
In that case, I will counsel you to look for Uwakwe. Pamper him very well. And then he will not even think of any other land. That's the only way. That's the only way. Wisdom, they say, is better than weapons of war.
No. I have heard you.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Gentleman.
Thank you.
Why crying? Why are you crying? Did anybody die?
No.
Or are you pregnant?
No.
Then why are you crying?
The expensive bees you gave to me are missing.
The expensive bees. Don't tell me you're crying because of those bees. We know that my uncle is a bead maker. Stop crying. I'll get another one more expensive than I want.
I gave them to you came to give for me. You sold them to another girl. See, I'll keep punishing him until you show me who you sold my bead.
I'll get another bead. Stop crying. Stop crying. Oh, I'll get another one more expensive than that one. Let's go. Stop crying.
Greetings. You're welcome.
You sent for me.
Yes, I sent for you because I want to know how you and your mother were.
We are fine, my friends.
But what?
Nothing, my prince. We are fine.
You can go back to your home, say so.
Thank you, my prince. And thanks for your concern.
Where are you coming from? I said, where are you coming from?
From the palace.
This girl has killed me, oh. What did you go to the palace to do?
The prince invited me.
The prince invited you? Did you tell him anything about your uncle? you sure? Because tradition will not stand against him if he decides to take all our lands from us.
I know, Mama. And that was why I managed to control myself. I really wanted to know how you were faring.
I heard you, but somehow I don't believe you.
Mama, calm down. I did not tell him anything.
My heart is failing me.
No, Mama, I did not tell him anything.
Are you sure?
If you see anybody with those of my books, notify me. I don't know who my brother sold them to.
I will. But what Ike did to you is unexpected though.
It is. Ubaka has promised to get another one for me. Yes. I will never forgive Ike for what he did.
Lele, look at them, village gossipers. Who are you people tearing apart this time?
Madam Shika, you are not gossiping anybody.
Why did you even respond to her, Oniye? Why did you respond? Please shut up. If you dare talk to me, I will deal with you mercy that you will never forget it. Look at this thing.
Chika, you will not do anything. You will not do anything. Rather than to run after men who are not interested in you.
Hey, don't you dare insult my friend in my presence, else.
Else what?
Yes. We are going to put the both of you here to death right now.
Uju, bet me. Bet me if you so believe in yourself that I'll back, I will not leave you.
Yes. Wait. What is bet with this Inkita? Don't try it.
Onyenye, you dare open your stinking mouth to call me Ikita?
Yes. Ikita, that's who you are.
You know me very well. Don't worry. This fight is for another day.
Please, let's go. I don't have your time.
This fight is for another day.
Stupid people. Stupid girls. Please, let's go.
Ure, where is the water that you came to my house and forced my sons to fetch for you? Where is it?
Nah, I did not force them to fetch water for me. Your wife is my witness.
I am not here for jokes. Where is the water that they fetch for you?
I use some in cooking and the rest is in that pot over there.
Use some in cooking.
Hi! Oh, this is wickedness! No, leave him. Hapriya, leave him. The gods will fight for me. You and your wickedness. Leave him.
You are the only one that knows the gods. You can report me to wherever or whoever that you wish. I am ready for both of you. Useless people. Ya Allah.
I have nobody to report you tonight, but the gods are seeing you. Okay, Miri is watching you. The land is watching you. Work on job.
My princess.
Greetings, my princess.
How are you?
I'm fine, my princess. And where are you going to? I'm going home. Why are you staring at me like that? The beads on your neck. This on my neck? Yes, my princess. I have two beads on my neck. This one or this one? This one. What happened to the beads? They look like we just bead.
What? Oye! What are you insinuating?
Nothing, my princess.
Oye, are you trying to call me a thief?
But these are just bead.
Oye, watch your mouth. How dare you call my princess a thief?
But these are just bead.
Obi Dikeh!
My princess.
Deal with her.
Uwakwe! Uwakwe!
I've been in your house waiting since. Thank God I met you here. How are you? Great.
Obaka the great hunter of our kingdom.
Uwakwe. My God.
I went to see how my late brother's wife and daughter are buried.
That's the reason I even went to your house, so I can discuss with you. Hey, Uwakwe. Ure came to my house the other time complaining that you have been treating them badly. Yeah. So I said, well, as my brother, why not ask you?
Obaka, she lied to you. She told you a bunch of lies. If I had wanted to, I would have taken all the land that belonged to my late brother. Let me tell you why she's angry. She's angry because I stopped her from unusual movements she's making in this village with some unscrupulous men. You know she's a widow. She's my brother's wife and I have to protect her.
No wonder. She refused to give me any details.
Oh, now you know, Abaka.
Which of you gave my princess the beads that made Onyinye to call her a thief?
Your Highness, I'm the one. Your Highness, the beads belong to me. She stole it and gave it to the princess.
You mean you stole from her and gave it to princess?
Yes.
Father, I think all of them must be punished for dragging the royal family name in the mud.
No, my prince. My king, I want justice to prevail.
My princess, what do you want me to do with their miserable lives? Should I send them to the cave or should I banish them from this kingdom?
My king, I want Uju and Onyinye to be set free. As for Oluchi, I want her to be paraded round the village by the youths, both male and female. They should call her thief as they parade her.
If that is the only thing that will make you happy, there's no problem about that. Gas! Take Oluchi, parade her around the village and call her a thief. Make sure you humiliate her. Do that quick. Move it.
Let's go.
Uwakwe, what is it? Huh? What is it, Uwakwe? Now, why are you calling me? Okay, yeah, look at me here. Be fast in whatever you want to say because I'm in a hurry.
Ibe, why did you stop talking to me? Because I stopped you from seeing my late brother's wife.
I have nothing with Ure. Huh? Yes, I said I have nothing with Ure. Have you seen me close to her since you stopped me from seeing her?
Then why are you always angry every time you see me?
Uwakwe, please, I have no time to talk. As you can see, I'm in a hurry.
I
to sit down and pray. I know that. It's okay. Come out of this grave. What's important now? Tell him to come out of the grave and fight for us, Mama. And just fight for us. That's enough. Your father will surely fight for us. I know he will. Whenever he says I know he wanted to say it's enough, my daughter. Stop.
Your father is a hunter. Our ego will believe you killed him without being paid. Yes.
Please, don't tell Igwe our secret.
I will tell Ure that you confess to this, and she and her daughter will believe me.
Obinna. Obinna! Are you okay?
Papa. Yes. No. I'm feeling headache.
Which one is yes? No. I'm feeling headache. Okay. Sorry, then you have to go inside to sleep. Instead of sitting here gazing into the sky.
Yes, Papa.
Okay? When your mother comes back, ask her to make Ugba for you. Okay? Go inside and sleep.
Yes. Good luck, Papa.
I don't care what she's going through with her daughter. She can die now for all I care. Since she has refused to give me what I asked her to give me.
I was even looking for you. Please, I want us to discuss about Ure and her daughter.
Did I hear you clear? What did you just say?
I said I want us to discuss about Ure and her daughter.
How dare you say such thing before me? If you don't leave my presence, I will descend on you with this. Useless woman.
Did I say now that?
Mama, I may die before sunset if I don't get water.
Because of me. You will not die. Let us be hopeful that very soon somebody will bring us water.
Mama, I am thirsty. I will go to the Igwe and tell him about Uncle Wakwe's wickedness.
Oh, my daughter. I cannot afford to lose the lands my late husband left for me. Fight me walk over water. Instead of that, I'd rather go to the stream and fetch water for you myself.
Go to the stream?
Yes.
Mama, women do not go to the stream to fetch water. Okay, Miri? If you go to fetch water, won't you get harmed by the gods?
Ah, no. The all-seeing gods will not harm me. They know that Uwakwe wants me to commit an abomination which I refuse. Hi. They will not harm me.
How can I watch my only child die first? No. Ndidi, be strong. I shall fetch water for you myself. Criminals. Hey, I hope this cassava belongs to you people. Or do you people went to somebody's farm and harvested without their notice?
Cheka, don't ever refer to us as thieves again because we are not.
You are thieves and stealing runs in your blood.
Your father, your mother, your entire generation, even the unborn ones are thieves.
Yes, you know we are not thieves. And we have never been paraded in the village as thieves. But you people have. So tell me, between me and you, who is a thief?
Cheka, I don't have your time. You can stand there and say whatever you like. Nonsense.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. Leave and let her talk nonsense. Village, I just want to. Jeez.
My princess. Where did you take your maidens?
I took a walk around the kingdom to see how they do.
Wow, that is lovely and wonderful. And how are they doing?
My king, they are all fine. They are so happy to see me.
Once again, you are welcome.
Thank you.
I was actually taking a walk to the palace when I saw you coming. I decided to stop and talk with my princess. I should be going to the palace.
Very unlucky.
I know after such long walk you must be tired, so you need to go and rest.
Thank you, my king.
Yes, I'm back. Yes.
Yeah, you are back.
Yes, I'm fine.
No.
Thank you very much.
No.
Thank you very much. Nice, your family.
We are fine, my brother. Did you go to the family?
No. I went with my son and wife. They've gone home already, so I'm going to join them. So where are you going?
I'm going to Libya. I'm going to go and see you.
Is anything happening?
No. I just have some personal issues to discuss with you.
Go well and let me go home.
Who is chasing both of you?
Igwe, we saw a dead body at the stream. We saw Ure's dead body at Okemiri River. Yes. I believe she went there to fetch water.
How can she go to fetch water from Okemiri? She knows that no woman fetches from Okemiri. Okay, you can go.
May you live long.
Thank you, Igwe. This is conspiracy.
Stand up!
Let's go. Move! 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 Let's go. Move it. Pick up. Move. Stand up. Let's go. Move. See you. You don't have strength. At the store, you don't drink water. Move. Let's go. Move. Shut up. Shut. Move up. Move. Shut up. Keep quiet. Mama! Your mother committed an abomination in this kingdom. Are you not aware that your mother fetched from Okemiri stream?
Your Highness, I am aware. But I can explain.
Shut up! Explain what? What do you have to explain? Your mother planned to rule my kingdom. Thank the gods of my ancestors. They have killed her for trying to fish from Okemiri River. My people, what should be done to Ure's corpse? Shut up! Shut up! You daughter of evil woman, keep quiet! Youths! Take Ure's corpse and dump it in the evil forest. I have spoken.
She's an evil girl. How can you say that to a fellow girl that suddenly became a girl? Okay.
She's old enough to know that women does not fetch water from cooking ministry.
It's true. If I am Amdidi, I would have stopped my mother from going to the stream.
She's an evil girl and nothing good will ever come from her. She's an Obanje. Let's walk fast so we can get.
I will bring back everything that makes you happy. Stop crying. Okay, follow me to my house and stay with me. Oh, this is my home. I will remain here. But there's no way you can stay here alone. You cannot sleep here tonight alone. I will sleep here alone. The spirit of my father and my mother will be with me. My daughter, come with me. Come and stay in my house. I will take good care of you. I will take care of you like the daughter I never had. Please. Just go. I want to be alone. Your words are making me cry more. Just go. I want to be alone.
Mama, stop crying. It's okay, don't cry again, okay? I don't know until it will become an orphan, Mama. It's okay. But it was all your fault. If you'd have gone to fetch water for her mother wouldn't have died. But I don't know why you were avoiding her. I don't know. If I know the mother would take the risk of going to Okemiri to fetch, it's okay. Stop crying. What you do now is go to her house and see if you can persuade her to come and stay with us. I tried bringing her here, but she refused. That is what you will do now. Please. I wish you can agree to stay with us. this man is not bad. Eh? Can we look at Namini? Maybe this man is not bad. Okay. All right. Lie. Why do you like to irritate me always? Eh?
How do you mean?
Lie, I sent you to get me water from the stream. You're just coming back. You spent the whole day there.
Oriako, sorry. Sorry.
Sorry for yourself.
I think I am back now.
Lie, what is this?
It's water now.
This small water. Lie, you don't believe you could. Gave you 5 years.
Why do you talk like this, Oriako? Don't you know the stress of going to the stream to fetch water?
Now you will go back to that stream and get me another water. Millie Epeka, wait 4 years.
Where is Noye?
In Ajum. In Ajum. Please carry this water. Go and drop it there. You just tell him Millie also. In Ajum Noye.
Okay, I will carry it. You don't know that I'm not getting younger anymore. Hmm?
My son, why are you vomiting here? What is it, my son? Nayo!
Ujena! 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 What is it, my son? You will not die, my son. You will not die, my son. Ujena! 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 Hey! Hey! Ujena! Ujena! Hey! Whoa! That water is from that same Okemini river. I don't know why it has to kill him. Because of our lives. Why did you allow this to happen to me? Oh, my only son.
Why do you demand to see me in this level?
I want you to do something for me.
Me?
Yes.
What is that?
I know you can't shoot without missing. I want you to use your father's hunting gun and kill Okike for me.
Okike, count me off. I am not a killer.
Obina! Obina, come back here. Come. Come back. This is money. It is for you and you alone. I will give you more. Accept my offer to kill him so that I can claim my land.
I will not kill because of money.
What is your problem? What are you afraid of? Okike is my brother. Listen, I am giving you this assignment because I know you need the money. You know what? Let me go and give it to somebody else who will appreciate me. I see that you don't...
Don't go. I need the money.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Now you have proven that you are a true son of the lion.
Now you walk away. I am not happy to take someone's life. You will give me time to think about it.
Don't worry. I have done all the planning for you. You have nothing to worry about. All you have to do is go home and prepare your father's hunting gun. I will tell you when Okike and his wife will be going to the farm. Okay?
I never knew he would destroy his family. I met into whom I love so much, weep in tears every day of my life. Wakwe, you must pay for this.
Come, Mama. Where are you? Where is your father? He's coming. He's coming. Mama, he's... Come on. After I get with the water and fish, my entire body has been on fire.
But I fetched the water from the same stream we've been fetching from.
Something is in my brain.
Don't do this! Ikem. Hey! I'm one animal. Ikem. Hey! Ikem. Hey! I am heavy. I'm one animal. I'm one animal. Yeah.
What have I done to my enemies? Why should my two daughters and son die at the same time?
Igwe, I'm finished, Igwe.
Mazibe, Nonye, why are you crying? What happened?
Igwe, my wife is dead.
What? What happened to her?
She died after using the water I fetched from Okemiri stream, Igwe.
Because of our ancestors. What is happening in my kingdom? Odo who came here earlier and he told me that his son died after drinking the water that was fetched from Okemiri. It's okay. I want you to calm down. Calm down. Huh? Take heart. I know in no distant time everything will be okay. Huh? You people can go. Ezemo, please tell us why our people are dying after using water from Okemiri.
Asemere is angry with this kingdom.
Why? We have dumped the corpse of the woman that died as a result of fetching from Okemiri River in the Evil Forest.
Igwe, that wasn't enough.
What else did she want? Tell us, Ezemo.
Igwe, she needs a sacrifice of 7 virgins.
Huh? 7 virgins? Ezemo, the demands are much.
Igwe, you must provide the 7 virgins, or else this kingdom will lack water for a long period of time. I have spoken.
What is the meaning of this? Put the gun down. Put the gun down.
You are evil. I will send you to the land of evil.
Please, don't shoot me. We can settle whatever it is, please. Please. Please.
You made me to be wicked. Start going before I change my mind.
Thank you. Thank you, my son. The gods will bless you. Thank you very much. Thank you, my son.
None of you should fetch from Okemiri for the royal family at the moment until the chief priest cleanses the water.
We shall do as you say, Your Highness.
You can go to our neighboring kingdom to fetch. That is if the royal family lack water. Am I understood?
Yes, Your Highness.
My king, ask them one last question.
My king, for 4 market days, we have not gone to Okemili. We have surplus water.
Are you sure of what you just said?
Yes, my king.
Look at her, crying like a lost monkey. Clean your crocodile tears.
You're behaving as if you can't hear her.
Her late mother's cry have killed many souls in this kingdom. Yes, Ezimo is requesting for 7 good virgins to cleanse the abomination.
You're looking at her. How we should be choosing among the virgins needed for the sacrifice. Shame on you.
My dear, let's go. Yeah. Your mother's cry will live with you.
Ubina has refused to eat his food for some days now.
Why is he starving himself?
I don't know. I tried finding out, but he refused telling me anything.
So where is he?
He has gone
out. Out?
Yes.
Okay. I'll find out myself as soon as he returns. Huh?
Okay, ma.
Meanwhile, go get me my own food to eat now. As soon as I finish this, we'll go to eat.
Okay.
Please.
I wish I could cry to death. Just die.
No. You are important to me.
Santini, stop crying. I want to take care of you, Didi. Count me. Count me, Didi. Count on me. Please, count on me.
Askwa na agadi nwanyị adị aka nka n'egwu ọma agba. Ikuku efulugo n'ụdị iko fọlọ ji n'ike. Nwata bunye na ya nọ na ngwongwo na ngwongwo ya chee anya. Onye kwa ka m ga-asị o. Hallo. Ọkwa n'ozi ka unu ziri nji ozi. Ka nwata na-ajụ ozi n'ụdị azụ.
It is a taboo to cure a disease and leave the cause.
Yes. Ezemo, what do you mean by that?
Obinna must be brought to justice. He must confess.
Ezemo, I can swear before Amadioha that my son has nothing in this issue.
Nothing will be done with these virgins until Obinna confesses. Go and tell Igwe the decision of the gods.
My son has nothing to do with it. I wish. My son confessing.
Let's go to the Igwe. Let's go to the Igwe.
Emekwa m ka unu zere.
Mama, I have cried for the both of you to save my miserable life, but you refuse. Tell me why I should have joined you in the land of the dead. I am bothered enough. Mama, I am coming to join you. You are my friend.
My elders, how did you go with Ezemo? Has he taken the virgins to Asamiri for the sacrifice?
No, Igwe. Ezemo refused to perform anything with the virgins. He said the gods command that Obinna must confess before he could do anything with the virgins.
Upaka,
Your Highness.
is that true?
Yes, Your Highness. It's quite all right. The Ezemo said so, but my son has nothing to confess. Besides, he's too young to know any evil.
Odobun, take one guard, go gather the youths and bring Obinna to my palace immediately.
Igwe, I will do as he said. Obinna! 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 Obinna!
Youth of Nigerian Kingdom. I hope all is well.
Where is your son, Obinna?
Has my son done anything wrong?
He's needed at the palace immediately.
Nai, what has my son done?
Obinna! Obinna.
Ini Edo, my fellow youth, I hope all is well.
You are needed at the palace immediately. You have some questions to ask. So let's go.
I myself.
Yes.
No problem, go with them.
Mama.
What have you done?
Mama, I've done nothing wrong.
Obinna, let's go.
Don't worry, I'll come for you.
Let's go. Igwe, please, can I go to my house and to find out what is delaying Odobu and his and the youths from bringing my son to the palace?
You will go nowhere. Odobu and the youth will come to me if they couldn't find him. Nonye! Nonye, who is after you?
I went to let Okike's compound and I find Ndidi dead.
Shut up. Ibe, I should have ordered the guards to punish your daughter, if not for one reason. Ibe, please, pardon her, please, Ibe. How can she come to tell me about the death of the evil woman's daughter that has set this kingdom on fire? How dare her! Now leave my presence immediately! Out! Obinna, confess to the people of Ihunanya Kingdom what you did that stopped Ezemo from carrying out his duties.
Igwe, I have nothing to confess. Igwe, I don't know why Ezemo decided to put me to test.
Shut up. You must confess. You cannot hold my kingdom to ransom.
Igwe, like I said before, I have nothing to confess. I love everybody in this kingdom.
Liar!
He's a murderer. Tell Igwe and people of Ihunaya Kingdom how your wicked heart wiped a family.
I did not wipe any family, Igwe. Yes, I killed him. Wakwe paid me to kill Okike because of life.
Obina, come back here. Come back. This is money. It is for you and you alone. I will give you more. Accept my offer to kill him so that I can claim my land.
I will not kill because of money.
What is your problem? What are you afraid of? Okike is my brother. Listen, I am giving you this assignment because I know you need the money. You know what? Let me go and give it to somebody else who will appreciate me. I see that you don't need
don't go. I need the money.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Now you have proven that you are a true son of the lion.
Now you walk away. I am not happy to take someone's life. You will give me time to think about it.
Don't worry. I have done all the planning for you. You have nothing to worry about. All you have to do is go home and prepare your father's hunting gun. I will tell you when Okike and his wife will be going to the farm. Okay?
I'm a murderer.
Obina. Obina, what have you done?
You are a murderer.
Shut up! I said shut up! Elders of Ihunaya Kingdom. People of Ihunaya Kingdom. This is my judgment. Take Obina, parade him around the village, humiliate him and bury him alive. I, Igwe of Okasi, have spoken. Take him away!
Oh, please. Igwe.
Asamiri, the goddess of our stream, I'll come to you with the 7 virgins requested for the cleansing of our water.
Tell your king to lead his people to Okike's compound and apologize to him. If not, evil shall continue to prevail.
Asamiri, I will do as you said.
Go! I will cleanse Okemiri's stream.
Please don't do it!
Miri, goddess of Okemiri, who has stayed 300 years, but looks more younger than the youngest.
The goddess of Okemiri, whom the Ihunaya kingdom terrifies her presence, I will forever be your servant.
The supreme goddess, the one who holds wings, the sky, our lives are in your hands.
People of Ihunaya Kingdom, listen up. Igbo wants to see everybody at Okike's compound tomorrow. Suspend everything you're doing. Failure to do so will attract the wrath of the king. Oyanu, Yakokwanwania. People of Ihunaya Kingdom, listen up.
Oh!
Are you still crying? Hmm? Don't have to cry so much. For how long are you going to continue? At least let us go to that Okike's compound so that we can hit the Igwe's call.
I am not going anywhere. What will be my gain in Nai? After my son has been stoned to death, I'm not going anywhere.
I understand how you feel. The loss of a son is a very terrible thing, and don't forget, he's also my son. It pains me so much. But what can one do? Sometimes some of these things come to you. Obi, don't cry. Don't cry. If our son had not submitted to the deceit of Uwakwe, we would not be in this position today.
Nai, but my son begged for forgiveness. My son begged for forgiveness, but he will refuse to give him a listening ear.
Yes, he did. But don't forget, there are some crimes that are beyond forgiveness. Not a crime like taking one's life. Taking the life of another. Anyway, but at least you should stop crying. And go inside because it will affect your health.
Nai, I am not going anywhere. Let him send his men, let him send his cars to come and kill me. That is the worst he can do.
It will not get to that extent. No. Let me go and heed the call. Because you cannot throw away the child and the bad water.
I will stop crying now. You can go. Go. Who will stay with me when you go hunting? Who will I force to come and meet you in the bush? Who will make me angry? Who will make me laugh? Who will ask me for food? Who will I tell that you eat too much? Oh, Binna. Oh, Binna, Mo.
It's okay, Osuko. Let me go.
Now I go if you want to go.
Micah.
Oh.
Okike, we are all gathered today in your compound to apologize to you for your mysterious death that was caused by some evil men behind us. We ask you to forgive us. The royal family and the entire people of Ihunanya Kingdom are in your compound. We ask you to forgive us in Eke. Forgive us in Ore. Forgive us in Afo. Forgive us in Okike. I, Igwe Ofo, can see second of Ihunanya Kingdom. I promise you that the next male child that shall be born in this kingdom shall be named after you. They will live in this compound so that your good name will always be remembered. Forgive us once again, Ineke.